Guess what y'all didn't know? We're going to Jamaica. What is going on with this elevator? Y'all, we're going to Jamaica. Bet y'all didn't know. I'm ready. I'm flying into Kingston. I'm leaving through my bay. It is a short trip. So for those of you who don't know, my grandma passed in Jamaica, and so it's not a joyous occasion. But anytime we touch yard, we're good. It's fun. So stay tuned. Beautiful view of New Orleans as I leave. See you later, New Orleans. It's time to go home. Yard, welcome. This was what I got from Morris Jerk. I got jerk pork, 2 festivals, and the true juice. I got from Morris Jerk. I got half pound of jerk pork, 2 festivals, and guava pineapple true juice. I had planned to have a zinger today for lunch. Actually, yesterday I had patties. Somebody planned for the zinger today for lunch, but I guess I'll be doing that for dinner. Since we did already a past Morris, why wouldn't I just stop and get it right there, right then, you know, before I go up the hill? Because then it would have to be another trip coming back down. Y'all know, say, when you come to Jamaica for do like a funeral or a family event or those stuff, there's a lot of little things that need to get done. You can't always find time to do, you know, something that you want to do for yourself. However, I'm trying to make that a priority for this trip. I need to find a day when we do a little day trip. Or I was thinking maybe a day pass to a hotel, but I don't know if I'd enjoy doing a day pass to a hotel. Plus, it's gonna take me all day if I drive down there. Go to the hotel, whatnot. You know, you have to drink and eat all day long to make it worth it. And I don't know if I'm in that vibes, or if I just want to go. I kind of feel like I just want to take a day trip, maybe drive down to the beach, take a book with me, and just kind of relax, you know. But anyways, we'll see how it goes. What are you guys up to? What do y'all like to do when you're in Jamaica? What's one of your first stops? The first stop for food for me is always a patty or KFC, like what the ear Carl say. I always have a date with the Colonel. That's Carl's one matey, Colonel. You know, as soon as I reach, ain't nothing like the Jamaican barbecue chicken. Ain't nothing like nothing. A Jamaican KFC are foreign. Nothing. So anyways, that's what I'm up to. Then today I have to go to the funeral home because I bought grandma's outfit. Thank God I found something that I really fell in love with at Macy's that I know she would have also liked for herself or would have bought. Then I got the gloves, I got the hat, I got a brooch because I planned out the outfit. Listen, when we reach the airport, I said, I have everything for grandma. I have the outfit, I have the gloves, I have this, I have that. Lo and behold, I remember I left the hat. I had to call Carl out of his bed to take the hat back to me at the airport. Good thing I did check in early and whatnot. So I didn't go through TSA or anything. So I just stopped and waited and him carried the hat come. Because can you imagine me going back and seeing that hat and know say I did buy it for grandma, or if I did even see something else in Jamaica that I bought, going back and seeing it, one, would bother me. Secondly, finding something else that, you know, when you already buy something you're truly in love with and that's the one, we're gonna go with the outfit. You know, when you find something else, it's not gonna be as great. You're not gonna satisfy. And so I appreciate my husband for doing that so much, because he knows how much my grandma meant to me. Yep. But besides that, you know, we're in Jamaica. It's always a good time in Jamaica. No matter what the occasion is, once we're in Jamaica, we feel good, you know. So anyways, big up on yourself. Talk soon. Hey people, I'm gonna try wait till I go home, till I reach at the house for eat the jerk pork and the festival, y'all. I couldn't wait. Put nice. Listen, me I go I know me there Clarendon Park. I go stop see me can get some sweet stuff. Cause sometimes sweet stuff there at Clarendon Park and it's not there Mandeville. So but the guests stand up on that side. So I want to get 2 sweets up. But them still sell CD. CD man still the boat. We need some music. Nothing not going in my ears. Need some music. Anyways, y'all ready for this journey? I'm so excited to be here. Well, I'm also a little, you know, it's a somber moment too. It's not as exciting and it's just me. The kids didn't come. Carl didn't come. Okay. But oh yeah then. Oh, me I plan to buy sweets up and I have no money. I just spend all of my Jamaican cash. No sweets up, no CD. Christ. Anyways, we're going to do road same way. Let's go! So y'all, this is my little fit for today. I'm too busy. Y'all like my nails? I'm gonna put the link to how Nana did them for me. So my mom did these. I'm gonna put the link in the description so you can see how you can DIY this at home. It is great. Anyways, y'all, stay tuned for the journey. We're just a begin. Nails turn up. Just my little like Era Rise fit, still like Era Rise, you know, Maya Angelou. Just a little distressed jeans and my black slippers. Let me show you, because I took it off of my right foot, because when I drive it kind of sweats. These, I like them. Of course I got them on clearance at DSW. But anyways, that's what's happening, gentle people. Stay tuned. Walk good. Hold on a little bit. More to come. More to come. All right, see y'all in a few. Scott's past Clarendon. They're building the toll road, so I guess they probably won't be fixing this road.